Go. 1, 2, 3, 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 go.
Hello, welcome to the vlog of Miss Jenna, correction by the way.
Cambodia yung pinaka-favorite ko.
Cambodia.
I love Cambodia.
Thailand.
Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Still Vietnam. Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Cambodia, number 1. Walang favorite.
Walang tapon yung...
Because of the people.
May isang mindset na nagsama-sama.
Not because it's cheap, it's not good.
They are, I think, most happy.
It's really my dream to visit that place. Bawal doon ang TJ ha.
As a beer lover,
Yung nakipag-interact ako sa locals,
it's really in my bucket list.
Laid back lifestyle there.
Multi-diverse culture.
yung communication hindi ko naging problem.
Shopping!